And the next one is run length encoding. This is actually pretty straightforward, but it becomes really powerful when it is combined with another type of encoding. Look here, this is my quarter column. So here we have a lot of values are repeated. Q1, Q1, Q1 repeated, and Q2, Q2 repeated. Almost 310 times repeated. And in this case, the Q2 repeated, or 290 times it occurs. The number of occurrence of Q2 is 290 times. Similarly, here it is 310 times. So here, you're also kind of a dictionary. Look here in the, instead of having, right? So for this, they create some kind of dictionary here. The quarter and start and count. In Q1, the quarter value starts from 1. And how many number of occurrences of quarter Q1 is there? 310. Push here. Similarly, in Q2, it starts from 311 because in Q1, Q1 is appearing 310 times, which means the first value of Q1 is 1, right? And the Q2 is 311 and the count is 290 times. Okay, the next step is it creates both the dictionary as well as the repeated values. The Q1, Q2, Q3. So how many values are there uniquely? So per year we have only 4 quarters, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. For that, it creates some kind of ID here, index value 0, 1, 2, 3. And then the repeating values, what it does is for 0, it repeats 310 times. Now it created a dictionary first. Okay, and then what happens? Run length encoding. What, right? It's combination of these two, hybrid of dictionary encoding as well as the repeated values. All the Q1. Okay, here the Q1 count. Look here. In this case, 0 is nothing but my Q1, and then the 310 number of occurrences of 310. So 1 is 290 and 2 is 490, 425, and 3 is 350. If you look at this data set here, the Q1, all the Q1s are replaced by 0, 0, 0, and Q2s are replaced by 1, 1, and Q3s are 2, 2, 2, and Q4s are 3, 3, 3. Okay, or right. So in this case 4. Okay, it should be 3 here. Okay. Now what happens is here, since it created the dictionary, the index value for this one, right? 0, how many number of times it occurs? Okay, so in this case, it has to go and do a lookup here, and then this one will do a lookup here, how many number of times it reaches. So in this case, only 4 values, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 bits used. It saves a lot of space.